channel. Today's DIY is very interesting. Today I am going to use a waste bottle and pistachio shells, and the end result is amazing. You can stick pistachio shells according to your design and your imaginations. Here I am going to create an insect look with pistachio shells, so I am arranging it according to this way. Now spray the bottle with color spray, which is easily available at any color shop. Isn't it look amazing? Here it comes main part, and here I am creating a ladybug design with permanent marker. Don't forget to apply varnish at last. It looks so amazing, isn't it? Let me know in comment section if you like my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye. See you in my next video.